Welcome to the 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 ZR2 in black. This truck is powered by a 6.2-liter V8, bolted up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the ZR2, starting on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power folding and adjustable mirrors, electronic parking brake, button-activated trailer and driving modes, automatic headlights and fog lights toggle, heads-up display controls, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with paddle shifters, full digital gauge cluster, heads-up display I previously mentioned, 13.4-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, push-to-start ignition, integrated trailer braking, dual-zone climate control, shifters in the center console, Bose audio all throughout the vehicle, and the rearview mirror camera. Taking a look at the exterior of the ZR2, starting off with the 18-inch wheels paired up with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Moving right along, we have paint-matched door handles, paint-matched mirrors with LEDs, ZR2 badging on the fenders, 6.2-liter badging on the hood. Around the front of the vehicle, bow tie cutout in the middle of the grille, ZR2 badge in the grille as well, red recovery hooks, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this truck is remote start equipped, rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around. And as we make our way around the back of the vehicle, we have side steps built into either side of the bumper, towing packages installed, Silverado ZR2 and blacked out bow tie all installed on GM's Multi-Pro tailgate. Heading back inside the ZR2, starting off with your in-seat storage. Seats are car seat ready and come in a 60-40 split. Cup holders come down in the middle. Rear power sliding window. Bose audio continues throughout the back of the truck, and in the center console we have the controls for the heated leather seats as well as 2 USB charging ports. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 ZR2. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.